My name is Samir, and I'm from Miami, Florida. I just received my 200-hour yoga teacher training, Vinyasa Yogashala, and I had a great experience. I really enjoyed learning from all the teachers here and was really impressed with the depth of knowledge that they had, and that exceeded my expectations. I was also impressed with all the excursions we were able to pack in all our free time, especially the rafting trip. And we also squeezed in a special safari at the Rajaji National Reserve. So I would highly recommend Vinyasa Yogashala for anyone who's deciding whether to do their, where to do their 200-hour or 300-hour yoga teacher training. Best of luck and thank you.